good day to you. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at Sepax technology, and we're going to be going through a brief history of theirs and also the types of columns that they offer. And we're going to learn a little bit about their details. And we are the Indian distributors for this company, Akira Analytical Solutions Private Limited, situated in Hyderabad. So please do check out our website, which is linked in the description, and you'll be able to find the columns from this company. So first, we'll be looking at the company profile. Since 2002, Sepax Technologies, a Delaware US-based company, has been providing cutting-edge products and services for liquid chromatography, LC. So Sepax specializes in the development and manufacture of LC analytical preparative and process separation and purification columns, bulk resins, and systems in a wide range of modalities such as SEC, IEX, HIC, Affinity, and RP. Sepax also provides LC services, including analytical testing, method optimization, purification, custom resin development, and ligand immobilization. So certified to the ISO 9001-2015 standards, Sepax focuses on customer and market needs and is continuing to expand its presence and supply chain around the globe in 3 business platforms, that is analytical chromatography, industrial purification, and medical diagnostics. So what is their commitment policy? Let's take a look at that as well. So at Sepax, they create value through serving customers' needs and solving their chromatographic separation and purification challenges. Through innovative technologies and solution-based approaches, Sepax delivers products and services that build lasting relationships with customers, achieving a strong leadership role in the industry. At Sepax, they firmly believe that there is nothing too complicated or challenging to consider. So their strategy goes like this. Whether you are conducting analytical research in need of customized resins or scale-up purification, Sepax Services offers unmatched technical capabilities and expertise. Working in tandem with their technical team and the customers, Sepax offers highly individualized services to meet the specific expectations and requirements, achieving project goals in an efficient and cost-effective manner. Now let's take a look at the columns that they offer. So they are briefly divided into 3 categories, depends on your requirements. So the 3 categories, depending on how you want to look for a column, they are through separation mode, or by brand, or by sample based application. So if you are going through the filter of separation, then we can look at these categories, which are size exclusion, ion exchange, hydrophobic interaction, ion exclusion, sub-2 UHPLC, purification, reverse phased, mixed mode phase, HILIC, HILIC, and more. And next, if we go by brand, we have SEC-MALs, Unix and Unix C, Xenix and Xenix C, SRT and SRT-C, SRT-10 or SRT-10C, Proteomics HIC by IEX, Antibiotics, Carbomics, Proteomics, RP. And next, if we look at sample-based application filter, we look at ADC, antibody, biosimilar, carbohydrate, cell lysate, DNA or RNA, fusion protein, glycan, glycoprotein, heparin, insulin, membrane protein, organic acid, PEG or PEG, pegylated protein, peptide, polymer, protein, vaccine or VLP. So these are the different categories through which you can look for your requirement. Also featured a few products. Let's also take a look at that. So the Monomix MCSEC resins. So let's see what that is about. So with proprietary hydrophilic surfactants modification that minimizes non-specific binding, Sepax's monomix MCSEC resins are highly stable over a variety of operational conditions with broad pH tolerance range that lies between 1 and 14, an advantage over silica-based SEC resins and compatible with many commonly used organic solvents and aqueous buffers. And they also have the SRT SEC phases, which are the unique size exclusion phases of high stability, high capacity, high resolution, and maximum recovery for biological molecules such as proteins, nucleic acids, peptides, polysaccharide, as well as water-soluble synthetic polymers, bacteria, and nanomaterials. So SRT SEC phases offer widest pore size selection of 100, 150, 300, 500, 1000, and 2000 angstrom. Next, we have the carbomix phases. So they are made of narrow, dispersed, spherical, low cross-linking polystyrene divinyl benzene particles. So surface's functional group are sulfuric acid or metal ions such as calcium, and the PSTVB support has cross-linking degree of 5%, 8%, and 10%. So the particle size selection is 3 or 5 and 10 for analytical and preparative separations of carbohydrates, organic acids, peptides, and nucleic acids. And next, the Xenix are the SEC phase. So made up of 3 silica particles, Xenix SEC packing is a breakthrough technology for size exclusion chromatography. Combination of 3 silica particle size and proprietary surface technology enables Xenic SEC phases achieved highest separation efficiency and resolution for biological molecules and water-soluble polymers. Available pore sizes of Xenix packings are 100, 150, and 300 angstrom. Next, we have the Monomix IEX resins. Currently commercially available in IEX chromatography, resins are mostly based on soft agarose or polymer particles which only accommodate low pressure operation. So Sepax's Monomix IEX resins have a higher mechanical strength and can withstand higher operation flow rates. They have been widely used in the analysis of separation of ionizable pharmaceutical molecules. And next we have the antibiotics phase. Antibiotics are specially designed for high resolution, high efficiency, and high recovery separations of antibodies. So the packing support is composed of a rigid, spherical, highly cross-linked polystyrene divinyl benzene non-porous bead. So the uniform beads have the particle size selection of 1.7, 3, or 5 and 10. Moving on, we have the proteomics IEX phases, a breakthrough technology of achieving combined high ion exchange capacity and high resolution for the non-porous resins with the particle size selection of 1.7 and 3 and 5 and 10. Proteomics ion exchange phases are specially designed for high resolution, high efficiency, and high recovery separations of proteins, oligonucleotides, and peptides. The packing support is composed of a rigid, spherical, highly cross-linked polystyrene divinyl benzene non-porous particle. And then we have the glycomix SAX phase. So glycomix SAX is made up of narrow, dispersed, and hydrophilic polymer particles. So it is a strong ion exchanger with quaternary ammonium functional groups that are chemically bonded to the hydrophilic surface of the polymer particles. And then we have the poly-RP resins. So compared to silica-based reversed phase resins, Sepax's poly-RP are PS by DVB-based reversed phase resins that are stable at extreme pH, that is 1 to 14, With a similar separation efficiency and better selectivity, they can withstand high temperatures up to 200 degrees centigrade, operating temperature about 80 degrees centigrade, and are compatible with many commonly used organic solvents and buffers. So, to brief what we have seen in this video, we have started off with a brief introduction into the company, which is called Sepax Technologies, and their history, their aim, their strategy, and then we looked over at the different types of columns they offer through filters, depending on what your requirements are, and then we also took a deep look into their featured products. So, if you would like to avail any of these, feel free, click on the link in the description and you'll find our official distributor page. And also do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and in the upcoming videos we're going to cover more. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.